myself Rajni Madhukar. I welcome you once again in the Gokuldas Public School online classes. Okay, now student, we will finish our chapter number 1 and 2. Okay, finished all the things. Okay, explanation and reading part, question answer and all the things. Now today we will start new chapter. Okay, that is the chapter number 3. Which chapter? Chapter number 3. Look here. Now the name of the chapter is our sense organs. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Sense organs. Okay, clear? This is the new chapter, chapter number 3. Now before the explanation of sense organ, we will discuss about, or I explain you different parts of our body. Okay, you know the name of the part of body because from the nursery to class 3 you learn the name of the parts, you know about the function of the parts. Okay, in the EVS your teacher explain you all the things, different parts of your body. Okay, clear? Now that once again I revise for you, or I want to show you the different parts of your body. Okay, each and everybody have their own body. Clear? Clear? Yes, you have your own body, I have my body. Okay, look, which part of this? This is forehead. Okay, clear? Now this part, this is eyebrow. Now this eyes, this nose. Now this is lips, means mouth. Clear? Now this is cheek. Okay, cheek. Now this is chin. After that, this part, neck. Which part is this? Neck. Okay. Now the other part is shoulder. This is your shoulder. Clear? Now after that, this is your hand. This is finger. Now from the downside we have waist. After that, thigh, foot means feet. Okay, toes is also. Now these are the different parts of our body. Once again I repeat for you: forehead, eyebrow, eyes, nose, mouth. Inside the mouth we have, which part is this? This is tongue. Which part is this? This is tongue. Okay. Now after that, this is cheek. Now this part, chin. Okay. Now the downside of the head, this is neck. And now this part, shoulder. Clear? Now the function of the neck is to join the head and shoulders. Okay, clear? Through the neck our head connect with the body. Okay, now after that, this is hand. We have 2 hands. How many hands you have? 2 hands. Okay, now this is wrist. Okay, kalai. Now this part is fingers. How many fingers do you have? We have 10 fingers. Okay, now after that, this is chest. Okay, waist, foot. These are the parts of our body. Okay, now inside these parts we have, what is the name of our chapter? The name of our chapter is our sense organ. Okay. Now student, the first question. In our body there are so many parts, I explained you. Okay. I write for you the name. Eyebrow, after that nose, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, cheek. Now that is chin, neck, shoulders, chest, waist, legs, thighs. These are the parts of our feet. Okay, these are the different parts of our body. Inside of these parts in our body there are 4 important parts. Okay, the name of that part is eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Okay, these are the, now we have already this part, but these 5 parts are more important in our body, and they function a lot for us. Okay, clear? Already given in your book. These sense organs are the windows of our body. Okay, windows means, what is the importance of window in our house? If you want to look outside of your house, you have to use window. In the same way, these parts are the sense organ. We give the name of that part is sense organ. Okay, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. These are the name of the sense organs. Okay, they work for our body. If you want to know about the what happened out of our world, means okay, rest of the part doing their function, but if you know the out of the world, means out of your body, what happened, you have to use these parts of your body. Okay, clear? Now sense, these what given? Sense organs. Okay, look here student, there are so many parts in our body. Beside that parts, we have 4 important parts in our body, that is the window of our body. Okay, if you know our surrounding, means आसपास की चीज़ों को जानना. Okay, so that parts of your body help to you know the surrounding. Okay, surrounding means आसपास की चीज़ों. Okay, clear? Now the name of that part is eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now, and we give the name of that part is sense organs. Why we give the name of sense organ? I cleared you that thing. Okay.
चैप्टर कौन सा है? चैप्टर 3।
What is sense organ? Okay. In this chapter, only the function of the sense organ given. Okay. First is eyes, structure of eyes, so many things given. But before that, I cleared you what is the sense organ. Okay. The name of the chapter is also sense organ. So I cleared you what is the meaning of the sense organs. Okay. Now the meaning of the sense. What is the meaning of the sense? To feel. To feel. To feel something from our surrounding. Okay, the meaning of the sense is only this word, sense. What is the meaning of sense? To feel something, okay, from our surrounding. Surrounding means related to our environment. Okay, clear? Now this thing I show you through the experiment or through the example. Okay, but before that I only explain you in the oral form. What is the meaning of sense? To feel something from our surrounding. Okay, that is related to nature. Okay, clear? Now the organ. What is the meaning of the organ? A part of our body that perform specific function. Specific function. Now the meaning, what is sense organ? Sense organ, to feel. Sense means to feel something from our surrounding. Okay, sense. The 5 parts of our body help us to know the surrounding. Okay, that is the sense organ. Now organs means a part of our body that perform specific function, means which part we have to use to know the surrounding. Okay, clear? Now the definition of sense organ is, look here, sense organs. Sense organs are the organs through which we get to know about our surroundings. Now, what is the meaning of the sense organ? Sense organs are the organs through which we get to know about our surrounding. Okay, you know the meaning of the sense means feel. you feel something, that is the sense. Okay, and for the sense you have to use 5 different parts. Okay, and we give the name of that part is sense organ. Okay, clear? That is the parts of our body. A parts of our body that perform specific function mean जो पार्ट आपको फंक्शन बता रहे हैं, that is the organ. Okay, organs. And sense means you have to feel, किससे, जो बॉडी का पार्ट जो काम आपको बता रहा है करके. Okay, that is the feeling. Clear? Now overall the solution, what we get? Sense organ. What is the meaning of the sense organ? Sense organ are the organ through which we get to know about the surrounding. Means जिन अंगों से हमें हमारी सराउंडिंग में क्या चल रहा है वो पता चलता है. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ how you know the sense? Okay, I show you different examples. We know the name of the part, means name of the sense organ, that is eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Okay, these are the sense organs. Clear? Now if you know the work of this part, I show you some experiment. Now look here, what is in my hand? Look here, look, what is this? This is the flowers. Okay, now see the color of these flowers. How you know the color? See, what is this? This is pen. Now see, what is the color of this pen? Have you seen? Now what is the color of this flower? This is white in the color and some yellow. Okay, now this flower, what is the color of this flower? Yellow. Yes. Now what is the color of this flower? See, this is pink. Now what is the color of this bird? This is, what is the color of this bird? This is green. Okay, now what is the color of this pen? Black and white and some red color is there. Okay, understood what is the color of? Now student, I show you the function of the sense organ. Okay, clear? Now what is the color of this book? This is yellow. Okay, now what is the color of my cloth? What is the color of my dupatta? Red. Okay, now what is the color of your hair? That is black. Okay, how you know the color of? Those are present in our surrounding, like the leaf, the color of the leaf is green. Okay, now the color of the sky is blue. Okay, now see your surrounding, means see in your room. आप अपने रूम में ही देखो अभी. What is the color of the walls? What is the color of the fan? Okay, what is the color of the cupboard? You keep your all the things in the cupboard na? See that thing and what is the color of that particular thing. Now you see your surrounding, अपने रूम में ही आसपास देखो. You see the different types of colors. Okay, now how you know the color? कैसे पता चला कि ये चीज इस रंग की है? Tell me what you do, which parts of your body you should use to see the things? Eyes. Okay, suppose you close your eyes like this way. Can you see anything? Can you see? कुछ दिखाई दिया? No. When you open your eyes, you see all the things. Those are present in front of you. Okay. It means your eyes help you to see the world. Okay. Without eyes, we cannot see anything. Clear? This is the first sense organ that help you to see the world. Clear? Clear? Now, this is the first sense organ. Means your eyes help you to sight the things. Okay? Clear? Help you to see the world. Clear? Now the next sense organ is nose. Nose. What is the use of nose? Tell me. And at present we should take care so much of our nose ना. हम बहुत ज़्यादा देखभाल कर रहे हैं हमारी नाक की. What you have to use at present? Which thing you use? Mask to protect your nose ना. Why? कोरोना वायरस ना चला जाए नाक में, है ना, इसीलिए यूज कर रहे हैं मास्क. हाँ, कर रहे हैं ना. ओके. Why you protect your nose through the mask? Tell me. Because germs don't enter in your nose. Okay? Clear? जो भी वायरल इन्फेक्शन अभी चल रहा है उसके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हम नोज की बहुत केयर कर रहे हैं ना, नाक की बहुत देखभाल कर रहे हैं कि जो जर्म्स है वो हमारी बॉडी में ना चले जाए. आई एम करेक्ट? सही हूँ ना मैं? यस. नो. We discuss about the function of our nose. Okay. What is this, student? What is this? This is only a empty bottle or anything. See here. This is perfume na. Now, and I also showed you different types of flowers. Now, if you want to know the smell, okay, of this flower, what you do? You directly eat it like this? Huh? No. We have to smell. ऐसे हम उसकी स्मेल लेंगे ना, सूंघेंगे ना उसको. Okay? And you like the smell of this flower. Once again you have to smell it. कितनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. Now, sometimes somebody use very nice perfume ना, तो क्या करते हैं, इसे स्प्रे कर लेते हैं ना, और फिर हमारे पास से कोई गुजरेगा, somebody tries to near us, okay, तो once again we stay there in अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, nice smell, and you ask the name of the perfume ना, कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया है. Now, तो this is the function of your nose. If you know the smell that is present as surrounding, okay, clear? So you know with which organ? Through your nose. Means smell. I give you another example. Like your mummy prepare food for you. Delicious dishes prepare for you and ask you, tell me, do you like this food or not? First you smell it. हाँ, मैगी की खुशबू अच्छी आती है ना, नूडल्स की, है ना. You like the noodles? तो you start eating and you don't like the smell of that food ना. करेले की सब्जी किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती, गिलकी की सब्जी किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो देख कर ही पता चल जाएगा. That time you use your two sense organs, means smell, nose and your eyes. You see the food कि क्या बनाया है, what prepare your mummy for you, and after that you have to taste. Sorry, you smell it ना. Clear? Means these are the function of your eyes and your nose. Okay, this is the second function. The third one is tongue. Tongue. The tongue is inside your mouth. किसी को चिढ़ाना होता तो क्या करते हैं? ऐसे करते हैं. Now, but this is not function of your tongue, beta. The function of the tongue is to taste the food. Okay? Taste the food. Clear? And I give you simple example. Your mummy prepare food for you. You run away and see क्या बनाया है मम्मी ने, what prepared my mother for me. But I give you simple example. Gole madam, can you help me to know the taste? Please come here. Please come here. Look here, beta. I bring two things here. Two things. This is sugar. No, I don't tell the name. Okay? Chal, Kavita ma'am, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Now, you stand here and close your eyes. Okay? Don't see anything. Clear? Now, look here, student. I bring two things here for the testing. This is shows you what the function of the tongue. Okay? Clear? Two things is here. Now, and second one is, now Kavita madam, please test it and tell me the taste. How you feel?
Sweet.
Speak loudly.
Sweet.
Sweet taste. It means what is this?
Sugar.
How you know the taste of sugar?
Or sugar is sweet in taste.
But how you know? Can you smell it?
No. With the
Do
help
you
of
smell
tongue.
it?
With the help of tongue, we can add it.
Okay. Through your tongue you test it, na? Now I give you second thing. Test it.
Salty.
Salty. How you know the taste? This thing.
With the help of tongue.
With the help of tongue. Not your nose?
No.
No. Only through your tongue, na? It means, okay.
Can I open my eyes?
Yes, open your eyes and go back to your place. Sit. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I give the two things for the taste. Okay? This is salt and this is sugar. Kavita Gole madam, test it and tell me the name. Okay? Give me the name, na? Means the taste of salt is very salty and the taste of sugar is sweet. Okay? Clear? Now how the ma'am know the taste of both things? Which part of their body she use to know the taste? Which part? Nose? Eyes? No. Madam close their eyes, na? How they know the taste? Through their tongue. It means the tongue help us to taste the food. Okay? Whatever you eat, your tongue help you to taste. Okay? Clear? Now the next, ears. Can you hear anything? Can you hear anything? Tell me. I read all the thing for you once again. Can you hear? No? No? What happened this time? I don't read for you. Okay? I only lip sync for. Okay? I only lip sync. Clear? Like this way. Now, if I sing a song for you, गाना गा के बताओ. कौन सा गा के बताओ? जल्दी बताओ.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाएगा.
No, students. Suppose what is the function of the ears? I don't sing a song for you. Only I read for you once again this thing and you listen that thing. Okay? I explain you whole chapter and you listen that. Clear? Means you use your ears na for that. Sometimes you not listen properly, that time you use headphone also. Okay? Means if you want to know about your chapter or whatever your teacher delivered in online classes, you use your two sense organs, eyes and ear. Okay? You watching the video and listen the voice of your teacher, what your teacher delivered you. You use your two sense organ na. But most and important parts is ear. Okay? Through the video you see all the things, but you need to listen the voice of your teacher na. Clear? What is the function of the ear? The ear help us to listen the voice. If you want to listen music, your favorite song, which part of your body you have to use? Ears. Okay? Clear? Now, the last part is skin. Skin. Our whole body covered with skin. Okay? And what is the color of your skin? See my skin. मैं तो गोरी हूँ. I am fair in color, very fair in color ना. Okay? Now, skin. Our whole body covered with skin. Okay. Now, the skin is the most important part. Through the skin, we know what is the atmosphere around us. Okay. If this atmosphere is cold, so that time we feel very cool. Okay. ठंड लगती है. And the atmosphere is very hot. That time we feel very hot. गर्मी लगती है हमें. So which part of our body help us to know the atmosphere? Our skin. But in the different way, we also know the importance of our skin. Suppose somebody pinch you like this, what you do? Suddenly your hand, आप अपने हाथ को हटा लोगे ना. Clear? Now, तो which part help you to know the pinching? कैसे पता चलेगा? Through your skin. Okay? Clear? Now, but these are the function of the sense organ: eyes, nose, skin, ears, tongue. Through the eyes, nose, skin, tongue and ears, we know our surrounding, and these are the sense organ of our body. And I show you the different function of the sense organ and what is the function of the sense organ. Okay? But look here students, I explained you all the things through the experiment. Okay, all the things. How you know the function of the eyes? whatever you see, okay, those are present in front of you, that is the sight, okay, and your eyes help you to see the world. Clear? Now the next thing, nose, smell. I showed you different types of flower and also perfume. Clear? Now through your nose you smell that and know the what, which types of perfume is it. Clear? Now the skin. How you know the world? Through the skin. If you touch anything, or I give you example that is the related to atmosphere na. If the air is cool in the atmosphere, okay, that time you have to feel very cold. Now the air is very hot, that time you feel very hot, okay, that is showed by your skin. Now ears, I show you one example na. I only lip sync and put my finger on the word and not tell you any word what is given here, and after that I thoroughly read all the sentence for you. It means your ears, means when I lip sync only, that time you not listen my voice, and after that I read all the sentences, you listen my voice. It means your ears help you to hear the sound. Okay, now at present you are watching online classes, means through the online classes you know your lecture and whatever your teacher teaching you, through your eyes and your nose, ears, you use for the online classes. Okay, it means that sense organ help you. Clear? Now the tongue. Kavita Gole madam and I show you some examples or one experiment. I give the two things for the testing to ma'am. First is salt, second is sugar. Madam test it and tell you the name of the things, means that time your teacher use their tongue. Okay, clear? Now these are the sense organ and function of the sense organ. Clear? Now how that part function, कैसे ये काम करते हैं. The brain, help the sense organ to send the message. Okay, clear? Means message send it to brain. These parts of our sense organ, means this sense organ send the message to brain. Okay, and the brain send the message to particular parts of our body, and that part start working. Okay, clear? Suppose anybody pinch you like this way, this message send it to your brain through your skin. Skin send the message to brain and brain send the message to your hand, and automatically आप अपने हाथ को हटा लेते हो. Okay, clear? But how this message send it to brain and brain send the particular part? Through the nerve. Nerves help to send the message and receive the message. Okay, and what is the nerve? What is the nerve? Nerves are the small structure which types of structure? Thread like. Thread like structure that send and receive the messages. Okay, we say all the things the sense organ help us to know the surrounding, but how this thing happened in our body? Eyes, nose, skin, ears and tongue send the message to our brain. Okay, how they send the message to our brain? Through the nerves. What is the nerves? Nerves are the thread like structure, those are present in our body. Okay, through their message, all these parts send the message to our brain. The brain receive this message and send that message to particular parts of our body. Okay, clear? Now, what is the nerves? Nerves are thread-like structures. What is the function of the nerves? Nerves send the message to brain, and through the nerves, brain send the message to other parts of our body. Clear? Now, this is the sense organ. What is the sense organ? I also explain you what is the meaning of the sense, what is the meaning of the organ. Sense means to feel something, those are present our surrounding. आसपास जितनी भी चीज़ें उसको feel करना. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of organ? I also explained you a part of our body that perform particular function. Okay? Means if you know the sense, how you know the sense of listening? Through the ears. Okay, sense of touch through the skin, sense of smelling through the nose, sense of sight through the eyes, sense of taste through the tongue. Okay, clear? Now the full meaning of the sense organ is, sense organ are the organ through which we get to know about our surrounding. Clear? These are the sense organ. Now I also explain you through the experiment function of the sense organs. Clear, students? Now here I finished my lecture. From now tomorrow we will discuss about the different parts of our eyes. Clear? Bye bye.